Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so my name is Deepika Jaiswal. Today I will teach you economics. So all of you have to give me some question okay, answers, which will be you able to identify which topic today I will explain. Okay,
Hmm.
in which country are you residing?
Ma'am, India.
Okay, in India, how much population lives?
70% population lives in rural area.
Yes. What is the main occupation of the village people?
The main occupation of village people is agriculture.
Okay. What do you understand by the agriculture?
Agriculture is a science of the cultivating soil and growing crops and the rearing livestock.
Okay. What do you understand by irrigation?
Don't know, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Hmm.
So, what do you understand by the agriculture in Indian economy?
It is a considered primary sector in Indian economy.
Okay. Uh, what is the use of irrigation in agriculture sector?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, fine. So, meaning of irrigation, irrigation is the process of applying water to the crops artificially to fulfill their water requirements. Okay, so nutrients may also be provided to the crops through irrigation. The various sources of irrigation are well, ponds, lakes, canal, tube wells, and dams. These are the means of the irrigation which is used to uh, apply the water for the crops. Okay, now
Hmm.
so, what do we call the practice of supplying water in the land?
Uh, Irrigation system.
Okay. And what are the types of the irrigation?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, fine. There are the three types of irrigation. First is surface irrigation. First is surface irrigation. Second is sprinkle. And third one is drip irrigation. Understood? So, surface irrigation. In this type of irrigation, water is distributed over the soil surface by the gravity flow. Okay. Also, all of you can see in this image. Next one is sprinkle irrigation. In this type of irrigation, water is sprayed or sprinkled through any equipment or air. Okay, so here all of you can see in this image that water is sprinkled through the air in the
Hmm.
agriculture land. Next one is drip irrigation. In this type of irrigation, water is applied through amateurs of the soil surfaces as drops for small streams. Okay, so all of you can see this in image. Next one is, so here are the some config. So what do you understand by irrigation?
Ma'am, irrigation means water come from the ground.
Okay,
Wait, इसको काटो जरा.
so irrigation is the practice of supplying water in the agricultural land. Okay, so next question is, what are the types of irrigation?
Types of irrigation, uh, surface irrigation and
Hmm.
sprinkle irrigation and drip irrigation.
Yes, there are three types of irrigation. What do you understand by surface irrigation?
Surface irrigation means water is distributed over the soil surface by the gravity flow.
Yes, very good. What do you understand by the drip irrigation?
Drip irrigation means water is applied through the enter of the soil surface or as a drop or a small stream.
Okay, fine, very good. What do you understand by the sprinkle irrigation?
Sprinkle irrigation means water is spread or sprinkle through air.
Okay, very good. So here are some recapitulatory questions. Okay. So here are the some fill in the blanks which you have to fill. Dash is essential element for survival.
Food,
Okay. Dash is considered the primary sector of the economy.
agriculture,
Okay. In dash irrigation, water is sprayed or sprinkled through any equipment or air.
sprinkle irrigation,
Okay. So next one is in dash irrigation, water is distributed over the soil surface by the gravity flow.
surface
In
irrigation,
surface, yes. In dash, water is applied through armatures of the soil surface as drops on the small streams.
drip irrigation,
Okay, very good. Students, here is the homework. Do a survey of your own village and observe which type of irrigation, means of irrigation activity is performed to yield the crops. Okay, so all of you have to do survey of your own. Yeah. So dear students, all of you have to do this activity. All of you have to survey of your own village and make a report that which type of means of irrigations are performed in your village. Okay. So write it down. Okay. So thank you class. I hope that all of you have understood this topic perfectly. Okay. In next section, I will teach you a next topic. Okay. Thank you class.